Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download and use DeepSeek AI on mobile phone, Android or iPhone. So whether you're using the iPhone or Android, the process will be same. So first you have to download the DeepSeek app. If you're on Android, then you have to go to the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, then you have to go to the App Store to download the DeepSeek. I'm using Android, therefore I am heading toward the Google Play Store. You just have to simply search for DeepSeek. You will get its app. That you have to simply check out a little bit about it. If you would like to, then click on install. The installation process will just take a while, like a minute or maybe few seconds, and then its installing will start. Again, installing will not take much time, and once it's done, you have to click on open. Then it will ask you for some permission. You just have to simply get agree with that. If you would like to read it, you can also do it. If you disagree, it would not work, so you have to agree with it. Then to create account, you have to click on sign in with Google, and after that just simply use any of your Gmail account and your account will be created. Then using it very simple, here you have this message section. You can just simply type anything whatever you would like to ask. If you're trying to do any sort of assignment, you can just simply mention it up here. If you would like to search for anything, you can just simply search up here, and once you're done you can just simply click onto that blue arrow. Then it will just take a while to generate the answer, and once you have the answer you can read it. If you would like to ask something else, or maybe would like to ask something from that answer, you can just simply ask it. The same thing you do on the chat gpt, the same thing you can do up here, and then you can just simply use it. So that's how you can download and use DeepSeek AI. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.